What? What do you guys put in there? Food? Sweets? Because why does it smell so good? I actually want to eat it like. I hope people can hear me. Otherwise I'm gonna have to start this video all over again. Hi guys, so for today's video, finally got my hair relaxed. If you've been actually looking at my previous posts, if you're a follower of mine, you would have seen that I've been complaining that I've not had any chance to get hair products because obviously we're on quarantine, we're on lockdown, everything's harder to get these days. All the hair shops are closed, so I'm really happy that I finally got my TRESS box, my subscription box. Their Instagram is treasuretress. I'm gonna put it right here, treasuretress. Follow them. If you got curly hair like mine, I think you'll be quite a good investment. It's a monthly subscription box. They send you products in there. I'm assuming it's going to cost a lot more obviously than you would if you were to purchase them individually, and it gives you a chance to try out new products as well. They call themselves Europe's first and largest natural hair product discovery box. I was sold from them, I'm not gonna lie, because I was looking for something like that anyway. Like I see Jackie Aina always getting BoxyCharm and different skin products, makeup products, and I'm just thinking it would be good to have something like that for hair products. So I'm really happy to have found them, and you have to subscribe and by the 3rd of every month. So once you pay for that subscription by the 3rd of that month, then you would get it within that same month. I actually ordered this on the 10th of March, so I've missed the deadline, so I had to wait until April to get it, and I finally got it. I'm so happy. But anyway, so yeah, I'm excited to open this. Let's do it. Let me open it. And it looks like this. Yeah, I love the little logo that they have right there. It's really cute. Someone with an afro. Okay, so it says TRESS, the hunt is over. I'm glad the hunt is over, but seriously, a little bit of hair products that I've been savoring for I don't even want to know how long. Yeah, it was bad. And this comes with it as well. Look at this beautiful girl. I don't know who she is, but that's so cute. I think I have the African Pride brand. I think they've sent me something like this because I mean, why else would the information be there? So they've got like little, like what each product does and what it's for. Ah, it's a full-on set. Huh. That's really cute, and they've got like self-care home remedies as well. This is really nice. I'm a fan. I'm actually a fan. Okay. The moment is here. Yep, they did send me African Pride products, and I've never tried anything other than Cantu, As I Am, Eco Styler, and Jamaican Black Castor Oil. These are the only products I've ever tried. And ORS of course, but I've been using ORS since I was a kid, so like that's something that has been a part of my life for a very, very long time. Now I'm trying something new. I'm too gassed. Okay, so right here we have the shampoo. Do I need to do this like an influencer? Is that how it works? Honey and coconut oil Nourish and Shine shampoo. Hydrates, elongates. I love that word, elongates. Hydrates and elongates natural coils and curls. Sulfate free and color safe. No parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates, no petroleum. I don't know what that means. It's got coconut oil, obviously, which deeply conditions, hydrates, and helps repair. I don't normally use coconut oil in my hair, like the actual just coconut oil by itself, because it breaks me out, but it's pretty cool. I'm excited to use this, and it's got honey as well, so I know this will bring me moisture, because I suffer from dry hair. Like my hair always gets so dry, so this I'm excited to try. And it comes of course with the conditioner. So the conditioner, let me see, it's got honey chocolate. What's that? It's got honey and chocolate, and coconut oil conditioner. Gosh, I'm so excited. So what does chocolate do? It restores and prevents damage and helps promote hair growth. I did not know that chocolate does that. Like, I love chocolate in general, so now I love it even more. These are the 3 products I can actually try out today. So we've got the leave-in cream. Hello. Yeah, we've got the leave-in cream, and that one's got coconut oil and I don't know how to say this word. Baobab. I don't know how to really. I think I might be pronouncing it right. I'm not sure. Coconut oil baobab. You know what? I'll give up. You hydrate and strengthen leave-in cream. Provides intense moisture, helps repair natural coils and curls. Oh, TRESS, thank you so much for nicing me with this. I did not know they were going to give you a full-on set of everything. Like, I thought I was going to get like at least like 3 products, cool. But I got a shampoo, conditioner, a curling cream. I'm going to talk about this one next. Look, I like these ingredients. This is a new brand, African Pride, because I've never heard of them. But I like them already, just with the description alone and the packaging and the gold packaging. It's just such an Empress kind of feel. I love it. I'm so excited to try this. The curling cream's got shea butter and flaxseed oil. So obviously you guys know that shea butter is a cream and it hydrates and moisturizes your hair. I use actual shea butter itself as well. That's what I've been using whilst I was savouring all my other hair products because they were running out. And I've been wanting to try out flaxseed for my hair as well because I heard that it's really good for moisturizing, and like people use flaxseed to create a gel and it helps with like hair growth and stuff. So I've been wanting to try flaxseed in general. I've never had something like this before, which is really interesting. This is a leave-in conditioner, another leave-in conditioner, but it's in like a spray form. Let me show you guys. Yeah, and that one's got coconut milk and honey. First impression, like in terms of just looking at it and the description of it, wow, you guys, I'm happy. This is really, really nice. I can't wait to try this. And what I'm going to try first is the leave-in. I'm going to add the leave-in and I'll probably add the curling cream afterwards. I've already sectioned my hair in 4s. And there's like no product in that. It's just a bit of shea butter just to moisturize my hair, but there's no other product in there, so let's try it out. So let's try this one first. Good. I like the consistency already. I'm just going to put a little bit on the ends of my hair and just work my way up. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Should I do like some sort of ASMR? Can you do that with hair products? Anyway. Look at that. Are you dumb? Are you crazy? This is really nice. I'm gonna just go ahead and use curling cream because I feel like this, what I've just used before, is to moisturize my hair. It doesn't really curl my hair. As you can see, it's still looking a little loose. I've seen my hair curlier than this, and that's only because I've had it in a twist, and so kind of like stretched my hair out a bit more. But now I'm going to use the curling cream and get the definition back. Okay, so this literally says it shapes, hydrates and adds shine to natural coils and curls. Well, that's what I need, baby. Alright. Okay, this actually smells like, you know, white chocolate thing, Raffaello, like, no, like coconut. This doesn't say it has coconut in it, but it smells like coconut. It just smells, this smells good. What do you guys put in there? Food? Sweets? Because why does it smell so good? I actually want to eat it. Like, the texture is even thicker. Like, it feels thicker. It might look the same on camera, but it feels thicker, so that's a good thing. Just doing the same method. starting from the bottom now with here. And that same product that I used at the bottom, I kind of worked my way up with that as well. Okay, now I can see that it's going a little bit more curlier. I mean, I'm scrunching it up as well, showing a bit more definition on my hair, and I like it. I like it a lot. So far, I am happy. I'm gonna do the same thing, same kind of method all over. I don't think I'm gonna be using the spray because I'm already using a leave-in conditioner. I don't want to have to use another one, so I feel like this would be something you can take on the go just to refresh your hair a little. And then when I do my wash day, if you guys are lucky, I might invite you to my shower so I can show you how I would use these products and what my wash day looks like. But I gotta trust you first, you know, we gotta build a relationship, innit? So stupid. Anyway, yeah, so basically I'm back. Apply the products all over my hair. I use the same kind of method, leave-in first and then the curling cream afterwards on each section. Scrunched it up, and this is like the end result now. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy with the result. I really am. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you guys can see those definition. I'm happy with the way my hair feels, and I'm happy with like the definition of it, and it smells really good, so I'm quite happy with the result. The one thing I wasn't too sure about was with the curling cream, it was a bit white, like my hair was white, and then it's kind of like it took a while for it to like really like sink into my curls and stuff. So that's the only thing that was a bit like, whoa, I don't like, because sometimes, you know, when you're like on a rush and the curly hair, it's not easy, you know. 9 times out of 10 I just put it in a bun and I just go, there's just no point. Even if I try to have a routine, if you're in a rush, just put it in a bun, simple as. But if I were to put curling cream on and I leave my house straight away, my hair would look white. So that's the only concern I have. And yeah, it does curl my hair, as you can see. From what it looks like, it's also nourishing for the hair, so it should help, you know, do all the good things to it rather than just the styling. So I'm hoping I will have a good journey with this. Thank you so much, TRESS. I mean, I'm happy that I've purchased this myself. It's not a sponsored thing. I'm not that big yet, you know, yet. It's coming. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it wasn't boring. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.